Good evening, friends. I am here to talk about one of the important matters. Recently, we all know that one young doctor, got assaulted in Assam. Previously, I had posted the video in Malayalam. For talking in Malayalam, for me, it's my mother tongue, so it's like easy for me. That's why I had used Malayalam, to reach more people. And I think this video should. I need to bring it up in English also. So I'm doing this video once again in English for the people who didn't understand my previous video. I want to tell that the assault was like too shocking, and the video we all saw, like when we saw that, it was too scary. Just imagine the plight of the doctors. What will they be thinking? They have been toiling their whole of their life to get this degree, and they are going for working in some rural areas, and they are facing this kind of situation. We human beings are being so ruthless to doctors. This incident is one example, and another one example I would like to share is the previous one, the lockdown time. We had an incident where one doctor suicided because of the mental torture he faced from the people around the world, just because he couldn't save one 6-year-old child. Yeah, it's painful that we are losing lives. That's true, but still, you should understand that doctors are humans. They have their ability to save the children is like save the children or the people around us is like limited. They are just a human being. Like God has taken through them through this way, and they have become a doctor to heal the patients, to save them. But still, you should understand there is a power, a supreme power that is existing in the world, that which controls the taking away or giving life. Just that common sense or that important point we are just forgetting. Yeah, at times we become emotional when our near ones are we are losing on the and on a hospital bed. It's really true that we'll get literally emotional and we will not be able to think rationally. But you should imagine the difficulties they are facing. Even in this COVID time, just imagine working with the mask, the face shield, gloves, and all that is totally called as PPE kit. The people who is working as doctors will be knowing it, and the one who have seen them working in that, it's very difficult to work in that. The hot climate and the physical irritation because of that. All these difficulties also they are trying maximum to save us from this COVID pandemic. Even then, we are very ungrateful to them. We are taking for granted that like their services will be always available even if we do any kind of bad thing to them. That kind of attitude is like really really very bad. Actually, we'll understand once when this week when this services are not available to us. And you can this is the reason why the people are the doctors who graduate here but they don't want to work here, because of the facilities they are not getting, or the salary, all these threats and all that. They wish to travel to abroad where the rules are much better than our place. They are like they want to work there. So we have to be little more patient with the doctors, and we should understand that they are human beings, not God. And they have their best kind of, they give their best kind of treatment possible. In like the people they take after taking like after plus 2 they go for entrance. Some people get, some people won't get, and then they are like struggling their whole their life for a MBBS seat, and then they are reaching this, and then they are facing all this trauma. Means it's absolutely very bad thing we are doing to them. We should be little more human. You should act little more from empathetic side and understand that they also have a personal life, and as well as they have also requires a peace and a peaceful and happy life for them also. Even then, in working in all that bad conditions also, they are never not delaying their denying their job or anything. They are trying maximum to save the people around us, and this pandemic is a really a good example uh, to thank them for their uh, selfless services, and then also we are being so ungrateful to them. Not only the medical fraternity to should come and talk about this, other people also should open their mouth and tell the whole world that this is not right, this is not proper, this is not the way to treat the doctors. They are like god to us. Like once in a while when we go to the hospital and because of some other serious injuries and we recover and come back, that moment only we will realize the value of a doctor. It's high time that we realize this, and we return the respect to them and treat them properly. And one more thing I have to emphasize here is that a doctor will never uh, think of harming a patient. They actually tries their best level to do the treatment. So it's like sometimes if the lives are going, it's like inevitable part of a life is death, so that we can't do anything, and there's a supreme god that we should trust in that times. And that's the real truth we should be knowing, and we should understand that point. Then only we can really behave with the doctors properly and treat them properly in the best way, and give them give them the respect they deserve like any other profession. So once again I'm emphasizing the fact that human beings, they are just human beings, not god. They have their limited abilities, or best of their abilities they actually do to save us. So we should be grateful to them rather than harassing and torturing them like this. A humble request from my side, please try to behave properly with them and treat them as individuals. Thank you.